Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shraddha. Today I will talk about the auto suggestion drop down, and I have already created one file, AutoSuggestion.spec.js, and I have already written some of the code here, which is very simple. Let me explain you. So this is the file AutoSuggestion.spec.js, and here I have written the required function. Inside this required function, I have already imported the package Playwright test. You can see here this is a Playwright test, and here all the modules, and you will able to see the function, everything inside this Playwright test. And this is the test and expect function. So in test function we will write the test, and expect we will validate we will validate all the assertion, or we will write the assertion here. This is the const bins to constant, and the line number 3 you can see here, it's a test block. So here to here I have given the module name, select London -non from auto suggestion. This is the module name. You can give any module name as per your choice. I have given this one. Asynchronous and page fixture, this is always decorated with this curly bracket, and with the help of page fixture we should able to access all the method and function. This is an anonymous function, and this is the website where we want to navigate. So page dot, and as soon as you will write the dot, it will give you the option like which function you want to write. So I have suppose like this dot. You can see we are able to see the other function, but we need to write the go to because we want to navigate on this URL. So we have to specify this URL, and await keyword we will use here for wait for the function. So let me open this site on the browser. You can see here this is the site which we were talking about, this is the site here. And what is our requirement? So my requirement is I want to inspect this from text box, and once I will click and provide some option like I want to search the London, so it will show all the London option as per your requirement. You can select. So I have already like this, and so London, so I will go and select the this one. So yeah, you can see this one. So first we need to inspect the text box like this without providing any option like any city name, or country name. And first we will inspect this. So you can see here input type, this is the input box. So without providing any country name we need to inspect, and after that once we will provide the country name. So not this one, I have London, and I think is it LHR. Okay, so there is different through LHR, yeah, hard through. So after that, once we will provide the option, and then we will inspect here. So let me open the code. So first we will navigate this URL, and after that we will provide the locator. So locator without passing any data. So right click and inspect. You can see here ID flight origin 1. So we will write the CSS. So Control F, and it will appear the search box, and now hyphen represent the ID, and let me inspect because it's closed. This one to verify, Control C. This is a unique element of this input box or not. So for that, yeah, we can see here 1 of 1. This is a unique element of this from input box. So I have already written the code here. So page.locator, and locator is this one, the locator. We have already captured it and paste it here. And once we will inspect the locator of this input type, input box, and then as soon as we click or like this, it will provide some option. So which option we want to select? I want to select this one. So first provide the locator of the input box and then click, and once we will click, use the click function. This is the variable name. So page.locator, and provide the, without providing any data here, we will inspect here. That locator we will write here, and after that this is the variable where we will store the value of this locator, and it's always const. And then await keyword we will use, and this variable name dot click, and the next line number 9, we will fill the data here like London. So like this. So we will use the here fill method. So await origin input dot fill method. So I'm providing here London. And now here page.locator, and this is the, we will go here and check it like div, open the div, and we can see here, because line number 12, you can see this is the data we are providing in this input box. And now after that I want to inspect this data. So what we can see here, input type text, name origin, this one, and then go in the label, and then it's div, and div span is under this div, and we are able to see the London, and then class country hyphen underscore ticket LHR. So this is the complete locator of this from input box. So we will already written here the code. So page.locator, and this is the class. We have already took the class flight underscore ticker. Here you can see, and colon has hyphen text. This has hyphen text. We are filtering actually, because if we write here, suppose suppose I'm writing here suppose I'm writing the United States, Providence, United States, this one. So you can see here div will change. You can see it's a dynamically change. So every time div will change. If we will provide here London, see L-N London, and you can see again the div is dynamically changed. So every time this div is dynamically changed. So we need to capture this. So colon hash hyphen text, we are filtering that London, which is here, and colon hash hyphen text LHR, because you can see here LHR Heathrow, which is the full of this London. You can see LHR, and we are providing here the timeout 7 seconds. And after that, because we want to check every time one by one that London is showing up in this input box. So for that, what we need to do, we will use the $$ and provide the similar locator here. So page dot $$ and similar, the same locator we have to provide here, and await keyword we will use, and this is the variable. We will give the variable. So I am giving the variable name is suggestion in const. And after that, this line of code, like we are doing here loop, one by one we will check that London is present or not. So for that, what we need to do, for, and I'm giving the option, it's another variable name. So let, you can give the const, or let, I gave here the let option of suggestion, which is my variable name, means this value will store in this variable, and one by one it will check. So for that, what we need to do here, we will use this variable option dot text content function and use the await keyword, and here I am just giving the variable name, value, and const. And for that, this value we need to see. For that we need to print, what we need to do here, console.log and provide the variable name. And now we can check. Control S. Save first and use the new terminal. I have already. So here I am just providing the npx playwright test. This is the test folder. Under this test folder, my file name is here. So I'm just giving the AutoSuggestion.spec.js. You can double check here the file name, is this correct or not. And I want to open my application. For that, what we need to do, space hyphen headed, because Playwright is always open in the headless mode, so we cannot see the website. If we want to see the website, what we need to do, we need to explicitly provide the command here, hyphen headed and space. I want to debug my code, so that's why I'm just giving here space hyphen debug, and now I'm going to execute, and it's open, and this is the Playwright inspector. So I want to go each and every line of code to verify that it's working or not. For that, what we need to do, I need to click on this. So this is a F10. Now it's click and open the website already, and then again I can see, you can see here by default it's showing because it's by default, but I want to select the London. So what we need to do, click, it will take London. Now it will print the London, you can see, and again it will come and check, because I did not specify which browser it need to open, so that's why it is opening first Chromium, WebKit and Firefox. So every time it's need to check, open the website, it is asking allow, and now need to click, you can see, and it's going to fill, you can see here. Now if I click, it will check the London. Again it will open, because, and again I have to click, and then it will go there. Now it's closed and 3 passed. So Playwright is already generated the report. If we want to see, we need to use this command here, Control V and enter. Okay, getting the port error. I have already told you how to fix this. So space hyphen, we need to give the different port number, so I'm giving the 3000, enter. Okay, I have already used it, so that's why it's saying okay, not use it. I did not give the complete command. So report space hyphen port is equal to 3000. Now enter. It will open the report, and you can see here my all tests are passed in Chromium, Firefox and WebKit. Now this time I'm going to open in the WebKit, and you can see here the test steps. Check, all tests are passed, and if you want you can expand like this and verify one more time. You can see all the codes, all the script you can see here. So In this way you can select the auto drop down and provide the value and get the values in your input box. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, share and like, and hit the notification bell so you will not miss any latest video. If you like my video, please give like, click on the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.